So today, my friends, is a celebration of love, of commitment, of friendship, and of two people who are in it forever. We've all loved in our lifetimes, and in this moment, we're reminded that the ability to love is the very best part of our humanity.
I could be the smile that you found in your morning bed. I could be the clay in your hands. You could be the laugh that I get in the kitchen chair, making up the day's grand plans. I could be the bird leading you to your blue sky. You could be the breath in the wings. You could be the love that I
Now, by virtue of the authority committed to me by the Church and by the laws of this state, I now declare you husband and wife. What God has joined together, let not man separate.
How long will I love you? As long as stars are above you, and longer if I can. How long will I need you? As long as the seasons need to follow their plan. How long will I be with you? As long as the sea is bound to wash upon the sand. How long will I want you? As long as you want me to, and longer by far. How long will I hold you? As long as your father told you. As long as you can. How long will I give to you? As long as I live through you. However long you say. How long will
And that brings you here to this sacred time. A time to pause, a time to look back, a time to smile at all the memories that brought you here, and a time to look ahead at all the moments that are still to come.
I could be a Sunday revival. You could be my lost soul survival. When I'm running out of hope on a day that's turned its back on me. Hey, hey. Hey, hey. Hey, hey. We can be the light shining bright in a baby's eyes. We can be as bold as the sun. We can be as strong as a love that would never die, as if there'll never be another one. I could be